we people are going to discuss how to display particular fields of the table. Okay, see, today we are going to discuss how to display particular fields. For example, I have a table VBAP. You know what is this VBAP table? It's a sales item table. Sales item table. For example, this sales item table may have, see, it may have 400 fields. Okay, but my client, see, this table VBAP may have 400 fields, but my client, he don't want to display all fields of this table. He don't want to display all fields of this table. He don't want to display all fields of this table. He wants to display particular fields of the table. Okay, see, please listen the concept here. I have a table VBAP. That VBAP table having 400 fields. That VBAP table having 400 fields. Okay, but out of 400 fields, we need to display particular fields. My client asked me, Anil Krishna, okay, this VBAP table having 4 fields, but out of these 400 fields, you please try to display 5 fields only. He said, sales order number, item number, sales order number, item number, material number, material group or something, and net value. These 5 fields only you try to display. These out of, see, here the point is what, out of 400 fields, you please try to display these 5 fields only using ALV report. Here the point is what? Here the point is we need to display. Out of 400 fields, we need to display this particular 5 fields only. Out of 400 fields, you please try to display particular 5 fields only using the ALV report. Okay. Actually, please observe the point here. If you want to display all fields of the table, means you can take the directly tables and table name. For example, okay, but here you need to take the few fields of the VBAP. Then what you need to do? The first step, you need to create the structure. Okay, then after you need to create the internal tables and work area. Okay, then after you need to create the internal table and work area. This, see, first of all, which fields you want to display, those particular fields we need to declare in report. Okay, how we people can declare through the structure. Once we define the structure, we need to specify we need to declare the internal table and work area. Okay, then after, see here, I need to say important point. In ALV report, if you want to display particular fields, of the table, see, in ALV report, if you want to display particular fields of the table, okay, if you want to display particular fields of the table, okay, then especially in ALV reports, which particular fields we need to display. For that particular fields, we need to apply the field catalog properties. Okay, we need to apply the field catalog properties like column position. Okay, column position, field. Okay, field name, column position, field name. Okay, then next key. Okay, key and tab name, and okay, select text. underscore m, okay, etc., etc. These are the, see here, these are the field catalog properties. See, please listen the point. If you want to display, okay, if you want to display particular fields of the table, if you want to display particular fields of the table in ALV report, if you want to display particular fields of the table, then we can't display the particular fields directly like a normal report. In normal report, just what we people will do, we will declare the structure and internal table and we'll write the select record and we'll execute it. But here in ALV report, if you want to display particular fields, for those particular fields, we need to apply the field catalog properties. Which particular fields we need to display? Which particular fields we need to display? For those particular fields, we need to apply the field catalog properties. Okay, if you apply the field catalog properties, to these particular fields, okay, then only you can display. And here one more point is what, where you can find this field catalog properties. See, in ALV report, see, there's a one field catalog structure. There's a one field catalog structure, that is SLIS underscore T underscore field cat underscore ALV. SLIS underscore T underscore field cat underscore ALV. This is a field catalog structure. See, in interview point of view, there might be a chance to ask this question: what is the syntax for the field catalog? Sorry. What is the structure, not syntax? Sorry. Okay. In interview point of view, 100% there might be chance to ask this question: what is the structure for the field catalog? What is the structure for the field catalog? See, this is the predefined structure. You people need to remember. If you forget, we can't do anything. If you forget this field catalog structure, you can't generate the ALV reports. Okay, you can't generate the ALV reports. Okay, here the point is what, SLS underscore T underscore field cat ALV. This is a predefined structure. In this predefined structure only you can find these properties. Okay, see, why we need to use this predefined structure means, okay, if you want to see here, if you want to display these